Hello and happy Halloween! I'm Chef Michael McDermott and this is Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making ice cream sandwiches with a little spiderweb decoration on top. We're making brownies, double chocolate with a little RIP tombstones. We've got some bean dip here with a little scary jack-o'-lantern on there and some chips. And this is going to be some of our snacks for Halloween. Okay, now we're going to do the cookies for the spiderweb ice cream sandwiches. Okay, now what I have is a little hot water here. I've got a cookie scoop. Okay, this is a cookie scoop. It's much easier. This also I wanted to show you. This is called a baking sheet. They're made out of silicone. Makes it so easy, especially with the holidays coming. And by the way, you can use all this technique for your holidays cookies. Now, this cookie batter I made, all right? Then I let it rest for 15 minutes. This is a gluten-free cookie batter. Absolutely yummy. Got organic chocolate chips. Now look how easy this is. I'm going to dip it in the water. I'm going to grab another scoop. Okay? Now I'm probably going to go 3 across or 4 across and then go down. Then what I'm going to do is bake this off and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the ice cream sandwiches with a spiderweb on top real quick. Now, I've got an ice cream scoop here. Usually would have water in it, but I forgot the water. So anyway, I'm going to scoop this ice cream real quick. All right. Now I put the ice cream in the microwave for just a couple seconds just to make it soft. Okay. And I'm going to put it in the middle of the cookie. All right. And I'm going to top it with another one. Now these cookies are pretty cold. All right. And then I'm going to freeze this. All right. And then serve it. I want to show you how to do the quick spiderweb. Now, you can go ahead and get yourself some icing and you can make it, but you can also just get it in the store. You get a little tip like this and you can make your spiderwebs, okay? And don't worry about it being perfect, okay? I just make a circle, another circle, you know, and then I just go from the middle with making the spiderweb, all right? It's good enough because the main thing is that you're going to eat these right away anyway, okay? And that's my spiderweb. Okay, so that's how you make the ice cream cookies. Make sure after you put the ice cream on, you refreeze them. You can also make these days ahead, and you can put them in a covered container because they're going to be frozen anyway, and they're absolutely delicious. And now look at how easy my cleanup's going to be. Silk pad, I just wash this off in soap and water. The pan itself, I'm just going to rinse it. So the cleanup is very easy too when you use these baking pads. All right, we're going to show you how we put everything together in just a sec. Okay, and now this is what we got after all our efforts. We've got RIP Tombstone Brownies. We've got ice cream sandwiches with spiderweb decoration. And we got some wonderful jack-o'-lantern bean dip. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember to stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Happy Halloween! Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.